Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is all about how to make Nutella star bread. Looks complicated, right? But it isn't really so. This bread is not just delicious but gorgeous too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified on my upcoming videos. Note the ingredients you will need. Let's begin with the dough. First take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 2 eggs and half a cup of warm milk. Mix all the ingredients and prepare a dough. Knead the dough for about 7 minutes until soft and pliable. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover it with a cling film and allow it to proof for an hour or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, punch the dough to release the air bubbles. Take it onto a dusted surface and knead the dough for a minute. Now, flatten it a bit and divide the dough into 4 equal portions and shape them like so. Cover them and set them aside. Let's begin with the first layer. This bread consists of 4 layers of dough and 3 layers of filling. Take a portion of the dough, flatten it a bit and start rolling with the rolling pin. Roll it into 10-inch diameter. Here, I'm using a dinner plate to measure and maintain an uniform size. Now, with the help of a rolling pin, transfer the first layer of the rolled out dough onto the baking tray that is lined with parchment paper. Now comes the main ingredient, the Nutella. Scoop about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Nutella on the dough and spread it evenly with the spatula, covering the entire circle. Set it aside. Now, lightly dust the surface and start rolling the second portion of the dough. Using a rolling pin, take the second layer and transfer it onto the first layer with Nutella. Be very careful and make sure you align it right and apply the Nutella over it. Now, roll out the third portion of the dough and continue the same process of stacking over the second layer and applying the Nutella. Once you have rolled out the fourth and the final layer, transfer the same above the third layer. Place the measuring plate and cut off the extra dough around the edges. Remove the scraps and you have an even round circle. Place a glass at the center of the dough to make an indent. With a knife, cut through the dough into 4 quarters. Then go into each quadrant and cut the dough into 16 equal stripes. Make sure the dough is cut through all the layers. Slide this onto a baking tray. Now, grab 2 stripes at a time and twist them twice in opposite directions like so. Continue the same with the remaining 14 stripes. Gather the ends of both the stripes, press and seal them together like so. Continue the same with the remaining 7 portions. This is how it should look once done. Now cover and allow it to rise for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, give it an egg wash and bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it turns beautiful golden brown on top, remove it from the oven and brush it with some butter. and our delicious and stunning Nutella star bread is ready to relish. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another interesting recipe.